What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today y'all clicked on this video because y'all want to know one thing. What are the cheapest mods that you can get for your Nissan Altima that actually have functionality or that just make the car look better? So let's get right into the video. All right, so when it comes down to cheap mods in car terms to me is really in that $100 range. If it's cheap means $100 or less, or $200 or less, really, when it comes to cars, because $1,000 is cheap when it comes to vehicles. But that first mod being on this list is going to be this front lip. I believe this is the best and cheapest mod, one of the cheapest mods that you can get for your Nissan Altima, because these lips come in at $100 to about $130, depending on what style of lip you get. Just get a front lip for your Nissan Altima. This number two, the second mod, I said number two, but the second mod, but it's gonna be these clear tail lights. These are free 99. Like I say in majority of my videos when I do a build breakdown or whatever on these Nissan Altimas, the tail lights are cheap if you want to get a clear style. If you want to go with the other style, they're like a black housing and a little red lens thing in there or something like that. But you can get that if you really want it. And yeah, that's one of the cheapest mods, really the cheapest mod that you can get on your Nissan Altima. You just take the lenses apart and you just take all the lenses out of it, like the amber and the reds and all that, and then you just put it back together, glue it back together, and you're good. That next mod being these sequential turn signals. These mods are only $40, and I mean, just look at them. They look so good even without that. Let's turn on the vehicle real quick, or not turn it on, but we're gonna turn on our hazard lights real quick. I mean, just look how much, let me get out the shot. Look how much better, well, I'll get in the shot because you can see it more. Look how much better that looks compared to OEM, just a regular blinker, you know? All right, that fourth mod is gonna be headlights and fog lights. Fog lights, they only come in at $40, and let me get y'all where y'all can see me. You see my lights getting pretty self. Now let me stop. But the fog lights at the bottom down here are only $40. Some cars already come with them. If your car doesn't come with it, it will have a bumper that's made for it already, because it was one of those copy and paste things where they were like, all right, we're gonna offer some with fog lights and some without. But with fog lights, it looks pretty good. Let me turn on these fog lights in here, and then y'all actually see how good it looks with just the fog lights. You feel me? And these, remember, $40. Like you see in that. That looks so much better, like with the lights on, the actual headlights on, and the fog lights on together. It looks pretty good. For that other mod, like I said, the headlights, those are $100 depending on which ones you get. They have a GTR style of headlight that you can get on these cars, but I don't really like it. I prefer just a clean one like this, where it's all clear, or they have the clear with the little amber right here for the turn signals. And then, yeah, no, those aren't turn signals. Those are your regular, like a daytime running light kind of deal right there. So these will actually turn on. I got some yellow ones in there, even though they're all clear, but it looks pretty good. And with that last and final mod, you know I had to throw my sponsor in there, Flash Shark Racing right here. Use code 6PZA for, no, not 6PZA, 6Speed for 15% off at checkout. But you can get one of these nice cold air intakes. These things are worth $70. With my discount, you get it for like 60, in the 60th range, a little bit less than that. And they're on sale right now, so you will get them for 63, 64 at checkout. So y'all tell me if that's a good deal. You can get a cold air intake for $60. Where they do that at? I mean, my Honda guys, they get them for 30, but this ain't no Honda, I'm just saying. But like I said, intake, your lights, your headlights, your fog lights. Let me go around here. Your tail lights. But honestly, I'm just gonna keep the video rolling. Tyler gonna save top 5 mods. I'm just gonna keep the video rolling. Another mod, these right here. These little things, these are cheap from eBay, but they're never gonna see water, so they're not gonna rust. Get it? And then you got the Nismos. Yeah, so if y'all want a 2026 build breakdown, please drop in the comment that we want a 2026 build breakdown, because I will give y'all one. We got side skirts, wrap. 2026 really gonna be the year. Really gonna be the year this car blow up for real, because I plan on getting another car. So I want this car to be at its top tier shape before I get another car. You feel me? But anyways, like I always do, make sure I go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all messing with the short form content, well, it's long form, but really like short form because it's not that long of a video. And if y'all like POV driving and stuff like that, subscribe. But the goal is for 2026, I know I'm dragging on the video, but the goal is for 2026, 4,000 followers on Instagram. It don't matter when I get it, I'm getting wrap in those new side skirts. I'm not gonna leak the wrap, but just know it's a two-tone wrap, so when the sun hits it, it changes a different color. So just gonna let y'all know, tap in with your boy on Instagram at 6PZ. 4,000 followers, the quicker y'all get me there, the quicker I get my wrap and get the car wrap, and then it'll be a whole new look. And then that's when things just gonna take off, you feel me? They're just gonna take off, and then trust and believe that. But yeah, this is my 6P Altima. If y'all messing with the content, if y'all like POV driving, drop a subscribe, like the video, please, y'all helping me. But this is gonna be the end of the video right here. Like I say in every video, I'm gonna give y'all a motivational quote. And this goes for like my guys that are young going into the work careers and like stuff like that just started working like in high school. I don't know if most of y'all boys in high school, but Nissan Altimas are high school cars. Nah, let me stop. Grown men drive these cars too, and baby mamas. Really the baby mamas. I love the baby mamas, feel me? But motivational quote. Work is not gonna be easy. No matter what, like you can go into a job site with a whole bunch of 40-year-olds, there's still gonna be drama like high school. Remember that. So that's my motivational quote. Just keep your mind straight. Use that as motivation that you don't want to be there for the rest of your life, you feel me? Because who wants to work a 9 to 5 for the rest of their life? I don't. I'm trying to get out of it now. That's why I do content, you feel me? But anyways, like I said, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we on to the next video.